guys, today I'm going to prepare bread bhujia. It's a very simple breakfast come evening snacks recipe. You can just have it with very few ingredients and with very less time. So let's get started with the recipe. So at first I'm going to put refined white oil into the karai. 1.5 tablespoon of refined white oil, and let the oil gets heated properly, and then I will show you the next stage. So our oil is heated properly. So now I'm going to put this chopped onion into this. So now I'm going to fry this onion. Into this I'm going to put with little bit salt, going to test, and will fry it till it turns golden brown in color. So as you can see guys, our onion is slightly brown in color. So at this point of time I'm going to put this beaten egg. I have beaten this egg with a little bit of black pepper powder and salt. So I'm going to make one space like this, and in it I will put this egg and will just stir it like this way. So as you can see guys, I have fried this egg with the onion, and it's like egg bhurji. So now it's time for me to do the next step. So the next step is very simple. Here I have this square shaped cut breads. So I'm going to put this bread into this and just have to mix it with the egg and onion properly. I have mixed this square shaped bread with this egg and onion, and now it's time to put other two ingredients into it. So here I have this ready-made tomato sauce. So I'm going to put around 2.5 teaspoon of tomato sauce into it. You can put more according to your preference, and if you want to use brown bread, you can use it. It will be yummy too and will be healthier more. So now I'm going to put this chili sauce, ready-made green chili sauce, near about 2.5 teaspoon, and now it's time to mix this bread with this sauce properly. So guys, our bread bhujia is almost ready. Now I'm going to put a little bit of sugar, as tomato sauce contains sugar in it. So I'm going to put a little bit of sugar into it, and also a little bit of salt, not too much because sauces contain salt and sugar into it. So I'm just going to stir a bit, and then our bread bhujia is ready to serve. As you can see how I have made this in a simple way. You can just try it at home, and your kids will love, your family members will love, and your friends will also love if you just make this instant morning breakfast recipe. So I'm just going to let you see after plating. You can see our yummy bread bhujia is ready to serve. It's totally apt for breakfast. If you want to have it more healthier way, then you can just remove the yellow part of the egg, and you can just use brown bread instead of white bread. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend, and don't forget to press that subscription button if you haven't subscribed yet, because I'm going to come with another new recipe. So till then, take care. Bye bye guys.